The Earth is sending a clear warning. Balochistan faces severe climate challenges today. Under UGPP, we successfully completed 7,000 acres of habitat earthworks to protect our majestic wildlife. To secure water in hyper-arid zones, we developed over 930 water ponds. We sowed 9,500 kilograms of indigenous seeds across barren game reserves. We built a dedicated rescue center and proudly promoted 23 private breeding centers. We launched a digital app for wildlife cruelty reporting and established airport control desks. On Guadada shores, we safely released over 143,000 marine turtles. Conservation requires community. We hired 121 local game watchers and naibans. We empowered our communities by delivering 116 small-scale livelihood projects. We provided solar power units and water bores, linking clean energy directly to conservation. We supported community game reserves to generate sustainable revenue through managed trophy hunting. To monitor our vast terrains, we deployed modern drone and GIS mapping technology. We engaged 40 student researchers from different universities across the province.
Join the UGPP Wildlife Component this World Environment Day. The time for action is now.